blah blah.
Have you ever done the corner?
No, I haven't. I've driven the small one.
Oh.
This one blew up before I had a chance to ride it. Yeah, with no coolant.
A lot of smoke and... I was like, yeah, it's very fast, but no. Disconnect that.
Look at the tire. What do you mean?
It was pristine condition.
It was actually brand new when we got this. Should we get these beasts out, mate? Soon we'll be taking the go-kart out to the track at some point. We need to do that as soon as possible because it's rusting away.
That's not coming from the car?
Yep. She's smoky, boys. Sounds good, mate. Boom, boom, boom.
The airbags, mate.
That'll be fine. Right, we're taking the K out quickly.
There we go.
Go left. Yeah, mate. Run there, right? What?
Oh my god, what's that? Try not to hit trees, because trees don't move normally.
Yeah, no, of course. Ready? Yes. Okay, quickly this way. Alright, it died. We're on a minimal amount of fuel. We got it to start again. What? You're gonna crash into the tree! Oh my goodness! Oh my god! Fucking go right, go right. Quick.
Go slow here.
Go slow here. Please, you can't drive, man. Oh, I thought we were in that tree, mate.
Did I hit the tree? Did I hit the tree?
Mate, you I think if the bumper was still there, you would have hit the tree.
Did I hit it?
No.
That's all that matters, isn't it? Take it easy, take it easy.
Where's the button there, mate? Where's the button?
You should tell me this thing's earlier. I guess it's time to stop.
Oh my god, that was sick. That was sick. I just look up at the tree, go, what da, 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 da. Bro, literally the drone was this close to my face one time.
Sorry.
Like, I need to chop my eyes off. We've had too many close calls. My GoPro's completely smashed up. Right, that's it, boys and girls. We've got a fire on the way.
I think we should stop.
Yeah, we're gonna chill, get a few beers, have like relaxed time now. Possibly. Alright, see, peace, boys.
Mud in your face.
I got sand in my eyes! Right, so we're gonna be taking out the boat. Denise, you forgot the most important thing.
What?
The beers. Right, Denise is struggling to start the boat and he's in the middle of the lake.
Okay.
He's having a little nap already.
Come in, man, I'll give you a hand.
Ishmael decided to join us. You have a nice sleep, mate.
Yeah, I was sleeping, but you know, the bus is away.
Can't be mucking around too long, yeah.
Exactly,
You
you know what I mean,
got to do
yeah.
some work eventually.
Like,
Stop recording me. No! No! You had room, you had room!
oh, my legs are so wet.
Mate, we're drenched. What the f are you doing? Try and mount it, Denise. Oi, Denise, go full throttle into this.
You really slapped the board, man.
That was sick. Wom, bum, 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 bum.
Guys, welcome to my lake.
Is it cool or just
Awesome job. You wet, man.
This is the life, boys. Mate, a f***ing jet ski would be sick, man.
Get it, yo, jet ski.
Oh, we'll get back to you guys.
Jump, go.
I nearly went in the lake, boys. This one doesn't know how to use the boat. What the hell, guys? Just cut out in the middle of the sky. Denise.
Jesus Christ. That's a cheap frame for you.
Yeah, I know. I got a spare arm at home anyway.